Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment so you don't miss out on money-saving tips and ultimately achieving financial freedom with the concepts presented in these videos that are priceless. In this video, we will show you how to quickly convert a Google form into a Word document. This is a two-step process where you have to first convert the Google form into a PDF and then take the PDF and take it into a converter and convert it into a Microsoft Word document or other document that you wish to convert into. Let's do this quickly. Open up a Google form, any Google form that you'd like. This is one example. Right-click on the three vertical dots on the top right and click on print. Here under your destination, choose Microsoft Print to PDF or any other PDF writer that you have or prefer. Click print. Then go to adobe.com/acrobat/online/pdf-2-word.html. The link will be on the blog page, and you can get to the blog page from the description, along with the step-by-step instructions. Now simply go to the location where you have saved your PDF file in the last step, click it, and drag it into this web page. It will upload, it will convert, and there it is. And from here, you sign into your account and you can download this form. That has been converted to a Word document. And it's just as simple as that. Hope you enjoy. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and ring that notification bell. See you in the next one. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. We hope you found it useful and hopefully it solved a problem you were facing. Remember that you will find step-by-step information on our blog pages on every topic covered by each video, and our products page showcases each item we have discussed to date. You can find us at squareq.com. Now we will quickly tell you why it benefits you to subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell, and leave a comment. Simply put, we believe we will get wealthy together by saving money and making far better decisions. We always try to skip the fluff and get to the point so we don't waste anyone's time. As you can see, a massive amount of time and effort goes into each video. The videos are good, the content is priceless. As we grow, we will always give back to our subscriber base. We hope you act now and subscribe, ring the bell, and leave a comment. Because if you are not able to take action, then this opportunity will simply pass you by. Good day.